Looking for better cooling performance and some sexy carbon hotness? This is the Password JDM cooling plate. What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here. In front of me I have the Password JDM carbon fiber cooling plate for the 15 Plus WRX and STI. Got the box, caught me there. Got the package right here. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So this is it. So what this is beautiful alien-like spacecraft thing goes basically on top of your radiator and helps. The whole purpose of it, well, not only it looks fantastic, which is a big purpose of it, but this is designed to help keep high pressure air in front of the radiator, because basically air can go up the front of the radiator and escape out the top and basically go flow over the engine. This piece is designed to help keep that air trapped in. Air is going to follow the path of least resistance, and so if you can trap it as opposed to being able to go up and escape, it's going to go through the radiator, giving you better cooling efficiency. Now, what's cool about this piece is the fact that it's all molded to fit your factory components. Of course, your radiator cap goes here, your expansion tank or radiator overflow, there we go, goes here. Everything is designed to fit perfectly. Your radiator hose actually slides up through this little guy right here, and it's like perfectly sexily molded to the front end of your car, which is very, very cool. It installs using all factory hardware, and because this is like a half piece, you can still use your factory or most aftermarket air intake snorkels as well, which is really cool, the fact that they designed it like that. So just a very cool piece all around. I love the way this is molded. Carbon fiber has a beautiful weave on it, even through these like contours. They keep the weave nice and consistent. It does have a UV coating as well to help prevent fading and discoloration that other carbon fibers can be susceptible to. But really just a gorgeous piece, and in combination with some of their other engine dress-up pieces, it really transforms the engine bay into something truly, truly special. It's a very, very cool product. Check it out. That's all the time we've got for you today. Thanks for checking out what's in the box. We'll see you guys next time.